We are really great in providing customized solutions, adaptable products. And why is that so? That comes from the Cassel company culture, which allows to take responsibilities, also which allows to do like little mistakes and learn from these mistakes. So when you have a customized product, you need to do a lot of little tiny decisions along the order processing. People must be brave enough to take these responsibilities doing these decisions, and because we have this culture, they are used to do that, and they do that. It's part of their day-to-day business. That leads to the ability to be really flexible and come up with customized solutions. Another cornerstone of the Cassel products is durability. They last long. And why is that so? They are mechanically very robust built. They are electronically built in a way which is fully digital, which allows to automatically calibrate the product. Every time you switch the power supply on, you have a machine that is like calibrated like fresh from the factory. And that lasts 10 and 20 years. And it's proven in the field.